Good morning. I'm under my carport at the moment where I got shelving a lot of seasonings and plants to give you a little pic. You see, I got a lot of seasoning and plants on over the shelves, but that's not the point today. When I was walking around in the garden a few minutes ago, I spotted one or two flowers of the saffrons opened. So it's time to harvest saffrons stamens. So I have a saffron couscous for several years now, and every time this time of the year, I'm so excited to walk around the garden to spot if any flower opened yet or not. And the flowers doesn't last long, so we have to catch the time. The best time to pick saffron stamens is the mid-morning, where the sunny days and flower fully opened and yet still very fresh. I'm not a professional grower, or I'm not a professional harvesting saffron couscous stamens, but I just want to show you the way I'm doing it. And so far it has been working for me. So what do you need is a pair of tweezers and a bowl, because I don't have much of opening flowers to harvest, so I just have very little bowl and some paper towel I put underneath it. So I let's walk to the garden and I show you the way I pick them. So here is the spot I got some saffron couscous. In the front I got two bushes in here, and they haven't really pushing up yet, so it will take a little while for them to flower, maybe a few weeks. Whether this one will going very fast, and this one too, but just haven't have flower yet. But over here I got this bush and have flower, and it just opened. So the beautiful flower. It's 11 a.m. at the moment. It's perfect time. It only just opened. And I got some more over here. And over here too, where's the creeping time covering it. So I think I had to cut some creeping time. Okay, so I got my bowl here. Oh, the bees! The bees come enjoy the flowers. Oh, look at that! Not a good time to pick the stamens then. But I want to pick them before they will down. Should I just moving it and let it go away? Yes. Okay, sorry bees. I had to pick it, so I got tweezer. And use it and pull. Here we are. So after I've harvesting the stamens, I will put them in the dry area place, and I keep just in the bowl like this for maybe a week or 4 or 5 or 6 days. And after that, I will put the stamens in the clean jars and lit the jar up and store them away in the cupboard, and whenever we need them, and we just take them out and use. So I have this amount of saffron stamens left from last year. This bit, I think I can cook several meals with them. And each time we cook, we don't need much. So that's it. That's the way I harvest the stamens and the way I store them. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next one. Bye bye.